Hello viewers, welcome to backward channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to my every video like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to your people in the. If you like today videos and share it with to your friends and family members, you can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to write in the comment box how well like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now did to the work yourself. If you guys you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Amazing very videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel, I am very happy that you like my videos and good comments. Please let me know comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, take care.